Stretching every morning is a simple habit. It is easy to do and it feels good. When you wake up, your body is often stiff. Your back can feel tight. Your neck can feel hard. Your legs can feel heavy. Many people stand up quickly and start their day. But stretching in the morning can help your body feel better. It can help your mind feel calm too. Stretching a little each day can change how you feel. In the morning, your body moves from sleep to a new day. Your muscles do not move during the night. They stay in one place for many hours. So when you wake up, they need time to open again. Stretching is a soft way to open your body. It is slow. It is warm. It is kind. It helps your body wake up little by little. Stretching every morning does not need any tools. You do not need a mat. You do not need sports clothes. You only need your body and a small place. You can stretch in your bed. You can stretch beside your bed. You can stretch in the kitchen while you wait for your drink. You can stretch in the living room. You can stretch anywhere. This is why stretching is simple for everyone. You can start with your neck. Your neck works a lot every day. You look down at your phone. You look at your computer. Your neck gets tired. So in the morning, move your head slowly. Look to the right. Look to the left. Look up. Look down. Make small circles. Breathe slowly. Feel your neck relax. This small move can make a big change. Then you can stretch your arms. Raise your arms up high. Reach for the sky. Open your fingers. Open your chest. Take a deep breath. Then slowly bring your arms down. Do this 2 or 3 times. Your arms and shoulders will feel more open. You will feel more awake. You may feel like the day is easier to start. Next, stretch your back. Bend your body forward. Let your arms hang down. Try to touch your toes. It is okay if you cannot. You can touch your knees. You can touch your legs. The goal is not to reach your toes. The goal is to feel your back open and relax. Stay there for a short moment and breathe. Then stand up slowly. Your back will feel lighter. After that, stretch your legs. Put one leg in front and one leg behind you. Bend your front knee. Keep your back leg straight. You can feel a soft pull in your back leg. This is good. It helps your leg muscles open. Change your legs after a few seconds. This stretch is great for people who sit all day. When you sit for many hours, your legs become tight. Stretching helps them feel free again. Stretching every morning is not only for your body, it is also for your mind. When you stretch, you breathe slowly. Your heart feels calm. Your mind feels quiet. You stop thinking about stress or work. You give yourself a small peaceful moment. Many people feel stress in the morning. They check their phone. They hurry. They worry. But if you stretch, you start the day in a softer way. You give yourself time. Even 2 or 3 minutes of stretching can help you feel better. You do not need a long routine. You can start small. You can stretch for 3 minutes today. Tomorrow you can stretch for 5 minutes. Next week you can stretch for 10 minutes. Little steps are okay. The important thing is to do it every day. Small habits can make a big change when you do them again and again. When you stretch, you can also think positive thoughts. You can say to yourself, Today is a good day. Or, my body is strong. Or, I will be kind today. These short sentences can help you feel happy and ready. Stretching is not only about movement. It is also about how you feel inside. Some mornings you may not want to stretch. Maybe you feel tired. Maybe you feel lazy. Maybe you feel sad. On these days, stretch for just 1 minute. Lift your arms. Breathe. Touch your knees. Move your neck. Even a little stretch is better than no stretch. Many small days make a big effect over time. Stretching every morning helps your body stay healthy. Your muscles stay soft. Your joints stay mobile. Your blood moves better. You feel more energy. You can sit, walk, and work with less pain. Your day feels easier. You also feel more control over your morning. You do not start your day in a hurry. You start your day with care. Stretching also helps your mood. When your body opens, your feelings open too. You feel lighter. You feel calmer. You feel more ready for the day. You can focus better at work or school. You can talk more kindly to people. You can think more clearly. A soft morning can make a soft day. You can make stretching your little morning gift to yourself. It is free. It is simple. It takes little time, but the effect is big. Stretching is a way to say, I care about myself. It is a way to show love to your body. It is a way to start the day with peace. There are many simple stretches you can try. You can lift your arms. You can roll your shoulders. You can move your head side to side. You can stretch your legs. You can bend your back. You can twist your upper body. You can make circles with your wrists and ankles. There are many choices. You do not need to do all of them. You can choose what feels good each day. If you want, you can play soft music when you stretch. This can make the moment feel warm and calm. You can open your window and feel the morning air. You can look outside and see the sky. These little things make your morning feel better. Stretching every morning helps you feel more connected to your body. Many people forget their body during the day. They work for hours. They sit for a long time. They move in a hurry. They do not stop. Stretching is a reminder that your body needs care. When you listen to your body, you feel more balanced and more happy. After 1 week of stretching, you may feel a difference. Your back may hurt less. Your neck may feel softer. Your legs may feel lighter. After 1 month, the change can be bigger. You may wake up with more energy. You may feel more positive in the morning. After 1 year, stretching can become a natural part of your life. It can become something you enjoy. So tomorrow morning, when you open your eyes, do not jump out of bed. Take a slow breath. Sit up gently. Move your neck. Raise your arms. Stretch your back. Stretch your legs. Start your day with a soft moment for yourself. Stretching every morning is a small habit, but it can help you feel good in your body and in your mind. It is a simple way to make every day better.